Hello, my name is Jen Lewis, and I'm a senior solutions engineer with Liquibase. And today I want to tell you about a new feature called Advanced Quality Checks that's coming out in version 4.26 Liquibase Pro. So if you remember, quality checks are our way of bringing more standardization and shift left capabilities to your database change management automation process. It allows you to do an automatic kind of linting or review of those scripts prior to deploying them. And you can look for things like Liquibase best practices, making sure there's rollback statements if you're going to use rollback, or some examples of things we're going to consider today, more advanced pattern searches that we've now given you templates to use to create your own quality checks to do things like look for a change set that includes a certain pattern, then followed by another pattern, or pattern A followed by pattern B, or the negative of that, pattern A not followed by B, or pattern A preceded by B, meaning looking for A, and if it's there, make sure that B came before it, or the negative of that. So it might be easier to just let me show you how that works. So I am going to create a new quality check, but first I want to show you that we're not triggering any quality checks now. So it says everything's fine, but now we're going to create a new quality check by copying that pattern A followed by pattern B template. So if I say copy this, it's now going to ask me for a shorter name. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for instances where there's two data fields that might be PII information. And so those could be things like social security number, birth date, address information, mother's maiden name, things of that nature. And so in this example, I'm creating this table and I purposely put in here a birth date field and address. Well, maybe you have a rule that you don't want two of those things to exist in the same table or like object. So what we're going to do is create this, and we'll look for birth date followed by address. Okay, so I'm naming it based on this template. And let's make that be a severity code of 3, meaning it would stop the pipeline. And so it's asking me what my primary search string is. This is the same thing as what I'm calling pattern A. So we'll put in birth date. And the look ahead search string is going to be address. That's my pattern B. So pattern A followed by pattern B. And then we don't want this to be case sensitive because I don't know what your naming conventions are. It could be camel case, all uppercase, whatever. And my message is going to be something like, let's see, birth date and address are being referenced in same object. This is not allowed. Okay. So that's what it'll say in the message in the log if we trigger this. And now we're going to do Liquibase checks run, and we should trigger on that create person table change set. And sure enough, we do. So this is the one I created based on the pattern A followed by pattern B, birth date followed by address. In this change set create table person, because I do have birth date followed by address. Now to cover our bases, if this were a real example, we would also want to create another one that was birth date or address followed by birth date, just so you would cover yourself. But hopefully you've gotten a real sense of how easy it is to create such quality checks if you would like to going forward. And I hope this has been helpful for you. I really appreciate your time, and thank you very much.